Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. I'm sure you all are enjoying online teaching. To enjoy the online teaching, you have to use um, earphone. Then second, you have to watch videos right from the beginning to the end. And third point is that you have to make use of the writing material when you watch the video on WhatsApp or Google Meet or Zoom. Now, this topic is common to science and commerce stream both. So, I will be teaching to both the streams. Last time we have seen that what is a statement. We have seen that a statement in logic is a simple sentence. It is a sentence which is either true or false but not both. So if the given sentence is a statement, then it is true or false but not both, and therefore it has either truth value t or truth value false, that is f. So last time the statements which we studied were simple statements. Now it's in today's session we are going to study compound statements. That is compound sentences. In English grammar, you have studied compound sentences. Compound sentences are the sentences in which two simple sentences are joined by different conjunctions like whereas, while, but, and, etc. So, in logic, we call such conjunctions as logical connectives. So, logical connectives are five in number, and these five logical connectives we are going to study in this chapter, mathematical logic. So, in the beginning, we are going to study, in today's session, we are going to study two logical connectives which are and or. You are already familiar with this. So, they are called as uh, and is called conjunction, and or is called disjunction, and is denoted by inverted v, whereas disjunction or is denoted by v. So if two simple sentences are joined by the word and, then we say that it is conjunction of two simple sentences. So if two simple sentences P and Q, simple sentences means statements. If two simple statements P and Q are connected by the word and, then we say that P and Q are, it is a conjunction statement, or we say P conjunction Q, and we denote it by P inverted V Q, or it is read as P conjunction Q or P and Q. So it means P as well as Q. So first we concentrate on this conjunction. So now I will study some uh, uh, compound sentences in which the simple sentences are connected by using the logical connective and. So now consider the second slide. Last time we have seen how to write simple sentence by using symbolic form or verbal form. Every so statement in logic can be written in symbolic form as well as in verbal form. So, like that, every compound statement can be written in both the forms, verbal as well as symbolic form. P inverted VQ is its symbolic form, and its verbal form is P conjunction Q, or it is written in words P and Q. Now consider the first statement in the second slide, symbolic form. First sentence is 2 is an even number and 25 is a perfect square. Now here there are two simple sentences. One is 2 is an even number and the other is 25 is a perfect square. So we denote one of them by P and the other by Q. As P and Q are connected by and, we say it is P conjunction Q, or it is P and Q. Red sentence is P and green color shows Q. So it is P and Q. Then there is another example. A school is open, or no, sorry, it is or. A rose is a flower, but mango is a fruit. Now sometimes instead of word add, we have other words like but, whereas, while, in spite of, although, etc. So all these words also they give similar meaning and they form conjunctions of P and Q. So this is the another example. Rose is a flower, but mango is a fruit. This means rose is a flower and mango is a fruit. So if we denote P by P, the statement rose is a flower, and by Q the statement mango is a fruit, then the given statement is P and Q. So it's given sentence is the verbal form and its symbolic form is P and Q. P inverted V Q. 4 is odd while 1 is prime. Again, a compound statement having a logical connective while. Third next statement, in spite of lockdown in the city, people are roaming on the road. Again, there are two simple sentences connected by and. In spite of lockdown in city means there is lockdown in city, but people are roaming on the road. So one sentence is P and the other is Q. Now it is understood that P and Q is same as Q and P. So order is not important. We can interchange P and Q. Triangle, that is again other logic too. Mina is sincere and hardworking. That is another example of conjunction. Mina is sincere, one simple sentence, and Mina is hardworking is another simple sentence. Then next, the drug is effective though it has side effect. This means the drug is effective but it has side effects. So drug is effective P and drug has side effects Q. So given compound statement can be written as P and Q. Now next sentence. Prakash and Karan are very good friends. Now this statement contains and, but it does not connect to sentences. It connect to nouns Prakash and Karan. So this statement, this sentence or this statement is not compound statement. It is a simple sentence, and therefore there is only one symbolic form P. We can use it, denote it by either P or by Q by using a single letter. So these are some examples of uh, conjunction of two statements. Now I think now we study is truth table. Now question is how to write the truth value of P and Q, or what is the truth value of P and Q when truth values of P and Q are known. Now here how many possibilities can we have? P and Q. P and Q means there are two sentences. One is P and the other is Q. So how many possibilities we have for P and Q? Here either both may be true, both may be false, or one of them may be true and the other may be false. So depending upon these possibilities, we have four possibilities. Both true means T T. One is T, P T and Q is F, or first P is F and the other is Q, true, or both may be F. So that is what is shown in the truth table. So what will be the truth table here? Truth table, how many rows, how many columns? So consider first this truth table. Truth table for P and Q, P conjunction Q. So we have three columns. In the first column, we write values, truth values of P. In the second column, we write truth values of Q. And third column denotes truth values of P and Q. So four possibilities, and therefore there are four rows. So here, be careful when you write the values. You have to write all the values in the particular sequence to avoid mistakes. So always write P first column for P as TTFF, two T's, two F together. And in the second column of Q, write T and F alternately. So we get four rows: T T T F F T and F F. Now P and Q. Now you can guess what is P and Q. P and Q means P and Q both. P conjunction Q means P and Q both occur. So it is obvious that when P is T, P is true, Q is true, P and Q is true. And when one of P and T, P and Q is T and the other is F, the truth value of P and Q is always F. So when both are T, the value is T, otherwise it is F. So this is about logical connective AND. Now we have another logical connective called disjunction, and we denote it by V, or it is OR. OR means either P or Q means either P or Q or both. So when two simple statements are connected by the conjunction OR, we say that it is disjunction of P and Q. So let us study some examples. A school is open. Third example in the next slide. A school is open or there is a holiday. This means either school is open or there is a holiday. So either or means it is a disjunction of P and Q. School is open stands for P and there is a hobby means Q. So given the compound statement can be written in its symbolic form as P or Q. Now next, triangle is equilateral or isosceles. So it is either equilateral or it is isosceles. That means it is, or it could be both also. So it is P or Q. The amount should be paid by check or by demand draft. Again, same effect. Amount should be paid by check or amount should be paid by demand draft. Only one option, I by check or by demand draft. So it is P or Q. P disjunction Q. Four or five students did not attend a lecture. In this sentence, again, or is between 4 and 5, which are two nouns, and therefore this is a simple sentence. It is not a compound statement, though it contains the word or. And then next, Raju will go to Pune or Nasik. That means Raju will go to either Pune or Nasik. He cannot attain both the cities. So that means it is disjunction of P and Q. So in this way we can write compound statements by using conjunction or disjunction. Uh, these two logical uh, connectives or logical connectives can be used like this: P or Q or P and Q. P and Q is conjunction and the other is disjunction. Now let us study now its truth table. Now as there are two possibilities for P and two possibilities for Q. In all there are 2 square, 2 into 2, that is 4 possibilities for P or Q. So the P and Q will remain the same. T T first row, second row, T F third row, F T F F, or column wise T T F F first column for Q T F T F alternately, and P or Q means either or. So it is false only if both are false, P and Q. When one of them is T, at least one of them is T, P or Q is always T. So first column, second column, truth values of P, truth values of Q, and truth values of P and Q. They together form truth table for P and Q, first three columns. And first, second, and fourth column shows truth table for P or Q. Now, in the same manner, you can construct truth table for three simple sentences: P, Q, and R. We have different combinations: P and Q and R, or P or Q or R, or we can have one and the other or. So, like this, you can prepare now truth table. Now, how many rows this truth table will have when there are three simple sentences P, Q, and R? There are two possibilities for P, two for Q, and two for R. So, in all, how many possibilities where will have P and Q will have? How many possibilities P and Q will have? 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 8 possibilities. And hence, in that case, when there are three simple sentences connected by or and or, or, or and or, we will have 8 truths. So, in that case, how do we write the values? First column T T T T 4 times for P, and next for F. In the second column for Q, we write two t's together. They are grouped in two. So T T, next F F, then again T T F F, and in the third column we write T and F alternately. So like that we will have 8 rows. Now you can complete this as your homework. I think everybody is writing and watching the video also. That is very very necessary. When you watch the video, and you can have notebooks also, for different notebooks for different subjects. Or maths, you can have only one notebook, as there are five teachers teaching maths. You can divide your notebook into five parts. So this is about two actives and an or. Now here I have given uh, one question. Write the truth values of. So when P and Q are given in verbal form, you should be able to write P and Q as well as P or Q in verbal form. Or you should be able to write, you should be able to convert verbal form into symbolic form and symbolic form into verbal form. So two types of questions can be asked like this. Now here the first question is, 5 is a prime number and 7 divides 94. Now verbal form is given, compound statement in verbal form. Now here question is, write the truth value. So first you have to write given compound statement into its symbolic form, and then you have to write truth value. That can be easily done once you write the uh, compound sentence into symbolic form. Now here two simple sentences are connected by the word and, that is conjunction. So the given statement is P and Q. Answer is written here, P and Q. Now 5 is a prime number statement with truth value T, and 7 divides 94. Is it true or false? Number 94 is divisible by 7. 94 when divided by 7, yes. Is it divisible? No, it is not divisible. So its truth value is F. 84 is divisible by 7, but not 94. So this 7 divides 94 is false statement. So its truth value is F. So it is P and Q. Or P conjunction Q. As P is true and Q is false, truth value is F. One of them is F means the value is, truth value is F. All flowers are red or all cows are black. All flowers are red is not a true statement. Some flowers are red. Flower can be of any color. All cows are black. No, false. So both the sentence statements are false statements. So they have truth value F, and therefore the truth value of the given compound statement P or Q. Given statement can be written as P or Q, and therefore its truth value is F or F. That is F. Both are F. So it is F. If one is T and the other is F, then it is T. Now, one more question. 3 and 5 are twin primes. Yes, is it a compound statement? No, it is not a compound statement, though it contains and. It is a simple statement. And what is its truth value? T, because it is always true. 3 and 5 are twin primes. So like this, we can write given compound statement in the logical connective and or by using the logical connective or. If it is or, we say it is disjunction, and if it is and, then we say it is conjunction. Now here, observe these values carefully. Values in the truth table. Truth values for P and Q, one is T and remaining F, and for P or Q, last one is F and the first three are T. P and Q, when one of them is T and the other is F, the value is always F. And for P or Q, when one is T and the other is F, the value is always T. So these are two logical connectives, and or. Now this is the homework given for you. You have to actually solve the question by writing. So what I will be doing next time, I will be giving you the answers to these uh, two questions. There are two questions, so the answers will be given next time. Now commerce students, they can solve now exercise 1.2 from their textbook, and science students, they have only one exercise, first exercise 1.1, which contains statements, a truth value, and a five logical connectives. Today I have taught only first two logical connectives, and or. So commerce students, they can solve second exercise now 1.2. Science students, they can solve some examples from exercise 1.1. You can watch this video number of times, and you can study this content many times as and when required, and you can study with your pace. That is one of the advantages of online teaching. Okay, so next time we are going to study um, remaining logical connectives. I don't think anything is left to be taught from this session. So when the given statement is compound statement is given, in which there is a word and or word or, if these two conjunctions are there in the given compound statement, then you should be able to write the its symbolic form, and you should be able to state its truth value. That is what is expected in this slide. Okay.